Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to add or remove a folder from Quick Access in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Quick Access in File Explorer allows you to quickly open your frequently used folders without navigating through multiple locations. You can pin important folders to Quick Access and also remove them whenever you want. So let's get started. First, open File Explorer. You can use Windows plus E keys on the keyboard. Alternatively, click on the Start button and then select the File Explorer. This will also open File Explorer on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. Once File Explorer opens, navigate to the folder you want to pin to Quick Access and select it. Then right click on it and here choose pin to Quick Access. Now that particular folder will be pinned in the left sidebar of the File Explorer. In case you want to unpin any folder from left pane of the File Explorer, select the pinned folder and right click on it, and then you will find an option remove from Quick Access or unpin from Quick Access. Click on that. That particular folder will be removed from Quick Access of File Explorer. That's it. This is how you can easily add or remove a folder from Quick Access in Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.